It is our culture to remember God Almighty before we do anything. So, let us begin our special assembly seeking the blessings and presence of God.
एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गणेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गणेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि गौरी गणेश उमा गणेश पार्वती नंदन श्री गणेश चरणं गणेश शिवनंदन गणपति गणेश. Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white. Good morning, respected Sita ma'am, Plum ma'am, my dear teachers and friends. I am Joanna from Pepsi. I welcome all of you to the special assembly on seasons by my class. In India, we experience 4 seasons: monsoon, winter, spring and summer. So grab your shades, winter coats and umbrellas to enjoy the changing colors of season.
The rainy season is the favorite season for most people, especially kids. Rain brings happiness and joy. So, tighten your seatbelts to witness the wonderful performances on the theme Rainy Season.
I am Lala Darsan. This is my person making on rainy season. Rainy season is from July to September. We see dark clouds, rainbow, thunderings, lightnings, use umbrella, raincoat. We see animals like frog, snake, earthworms, frog, peacock. Thank you.
मीठा है कोसा है बारिश का बोसा है 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 जल 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 नन्ना 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 नन्ना
Hi everyone, this is Riya Suresh. Today I am going to speak about rainy season. On a rainy day, the weather will be so
cool and pleasant that I love to sit in my balcony and enjoy watching the rain. Small puddles forms around my house. I would love to jump and play in that. Plants, trees and grasses become so green and attractive. Ponds, rivers, streams will receive plenty of rainwater during the rainy season. Rain is the most crucial source of drinking water. Rain is also used to grow crops and hence is important for the farmers. Rain is the greatest gift of the God. Last but not the least, I would love to eat hot pakoras made by my mom on a rainy day. Happy rainy day. Thank you.
लड़की है जब वो हंसती है कोई लड़की है जब वो हंसती है बारिश होती है चल चल तुम
Hello friends, my name is Eva Sheth. I know you all love rainy season, but have you ever wondered how does it come from the clouds? It's all a water cycle. First, when the seas, oceans and lakes get heated under the sun, they come up into the sky. That's called evaporation. And the evaporation makes teeny tiny clouds. After the clouds get joined together, they make bigger clouds. After the cloud becomes enough to hold anything else, it bursts out free to make rain, hail, snow, and it all gets connected back. And it's magical, right? And don't forget, if it's rainy, hold your umbrella. आसमान में छाए बादल बरखा चीते खबरें लाकर घर घर करके शोर मचाते चमचम चमचम बरसाते हैं।